It's early in the morning and I'm doing my morning ritual. I've got a big beam on my face because I believe that we've got to wake up and smile every day, despite all the terrible things that are happening in the world. This is my temple, where I live with all my weights and everything else. And I'm wearing my shirt, of which I'm so proud to be wearing, social distancing. Social distancing. Since this pandemic started, we in Ghana Rugby have been at the forefront of encouraging people to wear masks, to get involved in social distancing, and understanding that this would help in the solution to help manage the issue of this pandemic. We have created material and wonderful masks and t-shirts. We have ensured that they've been spread. We've got involved in so many different ways. And I've been so proud to see people all around the world wear the t-shirts. From the UK, where random people, I see the butcher where I live is wearing one courtesy of my wife, to players. I've been honored that people that I respect so much, like Yuri Ru from South African Rugby, to Coralie, our general manager, and others have all worn this shirt. We've got directors, Erica, who modeled them as though she was somebody 20 years younger than she is. My wonderful wife and family have all worn them, strangers, people who never thought they'd get one are wearing it, and it symbolizes what Ghana Rugby has been all about, and that has been encouraging people. Rugby is that kind of a sport. You don't sit down and wait, you take the lead, you show leadership, you work as a team, you get people on board, and that's what we've done. We've done adverts, what haven't we done to encourage people to wear masks and to understand the need for social distancing. We are in different times, that is for sure. And critically, we can only survive if it is that we work together. Critically, we can survive only if we understand the importance of social distancing and of wearing masks. One day there will be a vaccine. But before then, we have to be responsible. Ghana Rugby has pushed that agenda, that it is so important. What we've done in our own little way to help the national cause, which we firmly believe has been in the right direction, has been to test. And we have now been involved in the testing of over 140 to 150 tests have been carried out courtesy of Ghana Rugby. Expensive business, but a necessary business. And of those, about 12 have been COVID positive. And today, as I speak, all of those currently of the ones tested are now negative. And that makes me happy. We've done it by understanding that we are in a part of the world that we can't expect the most sophisticated of Medicare. But we've come in our own small way to also understand social distancing, masks, and supporting our immune systems. We've gone after supporting our immune systems very big. Here in Rugby House, and forgive me if I call it that because it's not officially Rugby House, but I guess here is where the administration of Ghana Rugby is carried out, etc., or where there are a number of players who reside in apartments here in this building, courtesy of Ghana Rugby. We have made sure that everybody's been tested. We have best practices, we have everything else that is entailed to ensure that we play our part. And for that I'm proud. And we have been negative right the way through. Tested many times and completely negative. Those on the outside who tested positive, we have tried to trace their families and people they've been in contact with, and we followed advice. On the immune system, we encourage people to inhale in moderation, and we pointed out that we have to be careful before people go and overdose on the neem tree. We add ginger and a bit of garlic to it, anti-inflammatory qualities. Whenever it is that they're feeling difficulty in breathing. And those who contracted were given azithromycin in prescribed doses. And we fortified our immune system for the last 5 months with zinc, good dosages of zinc, vitamin C, vitamin D. And if you're in that zone, then pop an aspirin, gargle hydrogen peroxide, and try and sleep on your tummy, not on your back. So really kind of common sense thing, isolating obviously. And this has been our approach right the way through. And it has been done successfully so. So the question of social distancing is key. And players and others who come back and have recovered have thanked Ghana Rugby and have thanked Africa Rugby. Because we've received some support from Africa Rugby as well. Good support from my friend Khalid Babu, with friends from the institution itself. And we've utilized part of what we've received to contribute along with funds that we've raised ourselves as board members and from other people who've assisted to ensure that we have a large supply of needed drugs. We have the ability to test those who believe, because there's some people who still don't think that Covid-19 is real. But others have, those who have come forward and have sat up tall, people like Andre, our prop, like our other prop as well, Prince in particular, General Secretary in Bismarck, and a few others who've contracted it and are now cured and are negative. They're strong, they're in fantastic shape. We all of them a big level of gratitude for coming out, speaking and being supportive to others. People Ghana Rugby is involved, as we always are. We are at the forefront. Not only making beautiful shirts, as you can see I'm wearing now. I'm so proud to be wearing this with the Ghana Rugby Eagles emblem, logo firmly printed on the front of it, but because I work with a wonderful board of directors, all of whom get it, and that is critical. Our elite rugby program is slowly coming together, waiting for the ban on sports to be lifted. But on an individual basis, I've been so proud to see the work of people like Big Mike and Eric, Francis, Monchon and Richard down here. The ladies led by Rafatu and Paulina and Anita, all pushing hard, all training, working on the cardio, coming and working here in gyms. Those who are in this building, we have this wonderful gym which they have access to at the same time. So people are strong, people are healthy. And we shouldn't forget the contributions made by Dr. Durban. What a wonderful, wonderful doctor who continues to see people in the rugby fraternity and understands, as we do, what is required in terms of getting over this terrible, terrible period. Social distancing, wearing of masks, strengthening your immune system. This is what it's all about. This is what Ghana Rugby believes in. This is what Africa Rugby believes in. And I say thank you to all, first and foremost to Africa Rugby, but also to those that are involved elsewhere. Now, somebody will say, why have I done the video here? Because I start my morning at 4 a.m. Yes, I'm 60 years old. And then from 60, you either live and behave like 60, or you come and you work out every day. And I'm here as part of my regimen to meditate in the morning, to understand my relationship with the big man upstairs, to clear the emails, to do whatever else needs to be done. And then before 5 a.m. or around 5, come and hit the gym. As you can see from the clock in the back, it's 5:33. I'm already gymming, a little bit behind schedule, but I'm going to work hard so that I can get out for a wonderful walk with my beautiful dogs and get on with the day. Have a wonderful day, everybody. And remember, strengthen that immune system. It's critical to everything. And when you want to talk to people and be with strangers, keep 2 meters apart, not 1 meter. Keep 2 meters apart. Absolutely.